My name is Luke French. I'm chef and co-owner of restaurant Yarrow in Sheffield. We've got years and years worth of old recipe books from our previous location. Opening page, there's a scribble of a lovage and spruce emulsion. You know, I remember what dish this was from actually. It's from an asparagus dish. Oh, there we go.
What is that?
That is a combination of prep lists, reminders, an illustration of a cross-section of an onion, I think. When we're developing a dish, it's a very spontaneous process. You literally just get an idea for a full dish or an element. We'll then sort of jot that down, write it down wherever, and then we'll kind of hash it out. We'll look for individual ingredients that are coming into season. The other one is when we're just out fishing, or I'm walking the dogs, or I'm in the forest and I'll see ingredients, wild ingredients, and that will give me an idea. Modern day. First found out about Gastronomixs, I saw it on Instagram. It was class. The way in which they have created the platform for professional chefs is what inspired me to now work as we do. That. We now have that. We've got all of the elements, the dish title, and then we've got all of the recipes. That's all the dishes we did in 2023. So I've just taken a photo of our original mise recipe, uploaded it to the Gastronomixs website. This is going to turn that into a beautiful, organised, readable recipe with a method. Oh wow, and it's even done a description and how much it makes. That's incredible. Especially from a page like that, you know, where the handwriting's not great, and it's managed to get it up straight away. Kenny, have you got any recipes written down in there? Oh, there we go. So just take a picture of it basically, Alex. So then you literally just click create component. Hey up.
Added some words to it. Classic teriyaki sauce.
Yeah, see what I mean?
That's cool. That's really bang on.
Yeah.
Like, it's not just like a generic teriyaki.
No,
from the internet.
exactly.
Like,
From an inspirational point of view, being able to see on one page how many different things can be done with an ingredient, what's going on in other chefs' heads. And I love how you can click that ingredient and then it just opens up a sort of encyclopedia of information and techniques, you know, like methods and stuff like that. There might be something that sort of ignites that idea. A bit of inspiration from Gastronomixs. Oh, I really want to eat this right now.